Okay, I'm gonna call this video Stuff You Don't Find Underneath the Lens Mount. This is the XT2, by the way. Here's the mount ring. There's the top plate. Yes, this is an XT2. Stuff you do not find underneath the mount ring of a Nikon or a Canon or Sony, and that is a rubber O-ring gasket, a real one. I don't find. No. Yeah, ask me how many cameras I've taken apart. Ask me. Ask me. Ask me. Is it if you're hey fat bald tattooed guy, you ever found a rubber O-ring underneath the lens mount gasket of a Nikon? No. There it is, right there. The mythical beast. No one has ever mentioned in any video or on any website. How weather sealed is that Fujifilm camera? Yeah, a lot better than the others, actually. By the way, also to find this interesting, to shim out or to level the sensor, these are the, there's actually two more. These are the sensor shims. Say it after me. It sounds so cute. Say sensor shims. Yes, that's right. Sensor shims. That's what those are. Sensor shims. Yes, indeedy. Yes, indeedy. There we go. This is, you know, the CPU contacts that connect with the main board and feed and autofocus the camera, the lens, excuse me. Although, autofocus the camera, yeah. It's this right there. That's this assembly. What else was I going to show you? Where is that switch at? There's so many parts here. Here's the... Here we go. You know what this is. If you're a Fujifilm user, you know what this is. There you go. So, rubber O-ring, Fujifilm 1, everybody else 0. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, click the link below to continue disassembly of the top plate of the Fujifilm XT2. Fuji!